Hey guys, so hopefully you're ready for a really big adventure. Subtle. It's like a diesel almost. It's always there.
Rowdy.
Airbag. TPMS is flashing, which means sensor error.
If this had wheels on it, it could just be because they were off too long, or because it's not driven.
Check engine light, and then it has, this is sports mode, which doesn't go on and off, which is on the board. So sports mode malfunction, because I think that makes like the damper stiffer or some shit like that.
Yep.
And then the wing, obviously that's not there because the trunk is off, and I understand. I'm gonna buy this just for the AC.
Buys R8 just because it has AC.
My AC doesn't has AC, it's just I don't have the back.
Hey, that's the biggest thing about R8.
Compressor goes.
I've had two other ones. On Kevin's, his went out 30K.
Yeah.
The gray one went out 30K.
They go out early. You said this has been replaced, or it just hasn't gone out yet?
It just hasn't gone out yet.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they're expensive because they're specific to the car.
So they're not, they said they claim it's an engine out service, but it's not. It's gonna be right
I can't even see what I'm recording. What kind of GoPro is this? A session?
I can't see anything. I'm gonna reverse it to the. Oh,
You're gonna hit that trash can.
Oh no. The throttle's like weird. It's like soft.
Well, it's electronic.
Yeah, oh man. Well, it's not exactly a bad thing.
No, not at all.
Kind of good.
Dude, we're driving an R8 right now. At 23 and 24.
I'm 22 actually.
Oh, shit. Aggressive.
Wow, this is smooth, dude. This is like,
Is
dude,
it?
holy shit. It's like sharp, but it's smooth.
You have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say just so we know how to get back.
I have my wallet too. Oh yeah, that's right. We don't know anything around here.
Very good, we're in Texas.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, Andre, rip it. When you get on the road.
Damn. That's so much more torquey. I mean, that's, no offense, but that's not exactly like insanely fast, but that's not
No, the
slow.
response.
Oh yeah.
I only care about the response.
Yeah, dude, that's so much way better.
To be honest, the
power, man.
Mercedes was probably faster.
And it was so heavy too, that's the funny part.
Yeah.
Why is no one looking at me? I'm in Supercar.
They're all probably glancing like, oh. Then again,
Dude, this window is huge.
yeah, I like the, it's still got some blind spots, but they're not that bad.
No.
I don't like that I can't see up. Like, I can't effectively see the light very well.
I have to learn this damn clutch.
Don't swap. 90K.
All you see is the headlight. You just see it fly off.
Oof. I was worried about the tail light.
Yeah, I saw that. He actually has a spare one on the other rear bumper.
Oof.
Wonder why.
For that reason. How you liking it so far, Andre?
Trying to learn the clutch in first gear. It's like,
Stops on railroad tracks in an R8. Fucking intelligent.
yeah, this is something where you have to hold the throttle, not just keep bouncing it like I'm used to.
Get it?
Does this thing have a plate on it?
Probably not. Okay, it's kind of fast.
That was 80 miles an hour.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of
shit.
fast. Yes. Hey, you made it. How does it feel? There's a cop right there, and you just ran a red light with no
Oh, yeah.
plate.
I didn't run a red light.
Yes, you did.
I did. There's a yellow arrow to the right. It was turning yellow. They don't care about cars like this. They're illegal. Does that have a plate on it?
No.
It really doesn't?
No.
Oh shit. Oh crap, he took off the Texas plate, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude.
That's why I was saying, be careful.
Oh.
Take a right. Hurry up. I don't see the cop, but I can't really see anything holding both of these.
No, they're not. No, there's a utility van behind it, which is probably also the cop. I'm just kidding. Dude, oh crap, I didn't realize this thing didn't have the plates.
I mean, to be honest, you're probably good.
An aftermarket exhaust?
I bet it's gonna sound like a Lambo.
Well, guys, we're doing it. I'm trolling Instagram so hard. I keep posting pictures of that Lamborghini to make people think that that's what I'm getting. 'Cause it's not what I'm getting. That thing is like 30K more than this. So seriously, guys, what do you think? You know, it's a wee bit rough, but that's totally fine. You know, I like it because I can do stuff to it because it's rough and not be afraid instead of having like this super pristine mint car and being scared to modify it, I guess is the right way to say it. Also, this has AC and it's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I miss having AC so much. So much. Anyways, we're gonna drive this thing to the bank so I can get this dude his money. I'm not getting the title today. It's actually being shipped out from the bank because it was financed, so that's paid off and it gets shipped to me so I can register it. But I'm gonna insure it probably today or tomorrow, and then print out a temporary tag for 3 days so I could just drive it to work and drive it around, do some fiddling with it and stuff. Well, I went from owning a Honda, which I still own, to driving a twin turbo R8 following a Lamborghini Gallardo. Yeah. Life has certainly gone up a little bit. Oh, this thing sounds... I know you probably can't hear it, but like, all the sound is behind you. I'm used to the exhaust being behind you, but the turbo noises, the induction noises, everything is behind you. It's insane. And this thing is so comfortable. It has working AC, and like, it's actually cold in here, and the sound system's amazing, and it's, I mean, it's an Audi, I get it, you know, refinement and everything, but wow, this is awesome. I'm trying to enjoy myself right now because no matter what, we still have a 15-hour drive home that we're doing non-stop. So we're gonna be home at like 2, 3 a.m. and that's gonna be miserable. So I'm just trying to get some happiness right now before the horrible, miserable drive home. Straight. This wheel's about to go over this.
Oh wait, you need to go back.
Yeah, like slightly.
Is other side?
Yeah, express how happy I am with this car. Just so awesome. I'm so tired. It's midnight right now. How long have we been driving for? Probably like 9 hours now. We have like another 4 or 5 to go. I don't know. My GPS is confusing me because I think my GPS is still reading in Central Time. It's saying the arrival is Central Time, but they're 2 hours ahead. So I think I'm arriving home at 4 a.m. and it's midnight right now. Gas just finished pumping. Hopefully you guys are so excited. Probably just gonna go ahead and end the video here. As soon as I get home, I'm not even going to bed. I'm editing this video just so I could get it out to you guys. So please do me a favor. Please hit that like button. Please get this video to like 3,000 likes. If you do, try to find some kind of all-wheel drive dyno around here so I can put that on there, because that car's on a base map and it claims 550 wheels, so we'll see. It's pretty quick. It's definitely quicker than my S2000, which makes 450 wheel. Way better power delivery. And please be sure to subscribe. We're at 92,000 subscribers. We're so close to 100,000. Really want to hit that 100,000 with this car because that car's amazing. And I will be making a video tomorrow. I'm off of work tomorrow as well. Today, it's already Thursday. It's midnight technically, but I'm off tomorrow, and maybe I'll take like a little 3-4 hour power nap. But I'll actually go through the cost of the car. Actually go in detail with it, show you guys every single part that I have in the back of this truck, everything once I get situated at home, and the issues that the car has, everything. So thank you so much, so much for supporting me, and I hope you guys are excited to be going on this adventure with me. Ironically, I feel like there's been like 2 or 3 other YouTubers in the past like 3 or 4 months that have picked up R8s too. And it's not really the reason I did it or anything. I had like supercar fever, and I don't know how to explain it. Like, I love my S2000. It's a great car. It's a wonderful car, but like, I was like, ooh, I want an NSX, and I'm like, ooh, I want a Gallardo, and an R8 is basically a Gallardo, but we'll talk about that in the next video before I go on. Got it for a really good deal with what it has. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in today/tomorrow's video. Hope all you guys have a good day. Peace out.